Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add website in TikTok PC, so make sure you follow my steps in the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have me on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok app on in the screen, where you can see the profile page at top right corner. Just move over a bit there and you'll be able to see the profile page, or also you can see the profile option at left side. Just click on that option and you will be redirected to your profile page, where you can see the edit profile button. Just click on it, and now finally you can see the bio option. So you simply need to add your or enter your or paste your website over here, and finally click on save, which is at bottom right corner. Just click on save and you will be able to add your website in TikTok successfully. So basically this is how you can add website in TikTok PC, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.